Hello guys, now I'm at Comic Con, at New York Comic Con to be exact. I'm gonna show you what's going on and what's happening here. By the way, this is 2021 New York Comic Con. Alright, let's see what's going on. If you haven't attend a New York Comic Con before, well, you're gonna see and feel what's going on in this place. After the pandemic, it's kind of, slow, or it's not that busy because, well, people still scared at home because of the pandemic. But if you're not scared and had been vaccinated, you can come and experience a Comic-Con here in New York City. Lots of going on here, so many cool and good stuffs they're selling here. Artworks, figures, statue, comic books, action figures. Oh, look at this, folks. Really cool. You can see some figures here, beautiful figures. And there's a big statue here. There's the name and price. Work in progress, and it's huge.
You have 2 more days.
And this is Smoner War booth. They're selling some shirts and jackets too. Alright. We have Toy Tokyo here. If you're not familiar with Toy Tokyo, they have a store in downtown Manhattan. Near our store place. You should check them out if you want to see some cool figures and statues. They have a lot. And over there we have Vader's Vault. They're selling lightsabers. Look at this, guys, really cool. That's the lightsaber, and it will look like that on top. Really cool. Let's go over here. There are posters and artwork they're selling.
Alrighty, I'll come back around for you.
Godzilla
78.
Wow. Look at this, guys. Really cool. Actually, I love this kind of environment because not so many people at the con right now. Usually it's packed and it's kind of hard to walk. I'm gonna show you some cool statues, guys. Look at this. Really, really cool. Okay, hold on. Good. All right, let's get moving. And that's the Funimation booth. They had this big, giant, humongous cloud going on. Or really cool, guys. You can spend some of your time here hanging out. You can see. And you can buy some food over there as well. Oh, they're selling some figures here. Let's take a look.
I've seen like so many
Robotech,
that we ran out of one tomorrow.
Full Metal Alchemist. Wow. Really, really cool. My Hero Academia. These are pin if you want to ask. Funko Pop.
Yeah. No, I think people like most
If you love statues or figures, I'm gonna show you that there's a booth that's showing really, really nice statues. And this is Cryptozoic booth. You see lots of really cool figures there. Oh, this is really cool. If you ladies love to own this. Really cool. That's the booth, guys. Cryptozoic. Alright, and this is XM Studios. They have really, really nice statues on display and for sale as well. Look at this, guys. This is humongous Godzilla versus Space Godzilla. Okay. Sorry. Some DC Comics statues. Superman, Catwoman. They're also here. Green Arrow, Hawkman, River Slash. Joker, Penguin. And of course, Batman. Alright, let's move on. We have Good Smile Company there. Let's take a look. They have really cool figures. I'm gonna show you some of them. Look at this. Some dolls for kids. Okay, let's move on. Oh, there are some more here. Hold on, I'm going to show you.
We also just announced that this painted version is finally done. This pre-order is going to be coming up, I think, probably by the end of the year. That's my guess. But yeah, they're down there. Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's move on.
Everyone, your entire life. Oh, it's very good. But it's everything.
We have Chucky here from Sci-Fi. They're selling ice creams. We have here some artwork. Look at this beautiful artwork, guys.
Yeah, I got it on that charger. I bought a portable. You thought I wasn't coming to vehicles?
Wow, I'm loving this. The hall is just almost empty. I can easily walk. Unlike 2 years ago, whew, it's back. Yeah, Shonen Jump. Shonen Jump is manga or Japanese comic book. And we have here Van Presto, Japanese company. They're making these great and cool statues. We have some Gundams here. Alright, let's move on. Look at this, folks. Beautiful artwork, and they're pretty expensive. It's almost 1,000. It's almost 1,600 almost, and I believe that's before tax. So you have to pay like more than 1,600, probably 1,700.
But it's still cool. I like it.
Also this.
So these are all like, these are Japanese right here. Everyone's feels
And we have Star Wars, Darth Vader here. It's called Samurai Daiso. Darth Vader. It's a life-size statue. We have Godzilla from movie Godzilla vs. Kong. You can see the size comparison. huge. We have Gundam here, and there's Dragon Ball's booth. I believe they're closed right now. You can see a giant statue on display, guys. It's humongous. Look at this. Wow. You can see the little guy there. That's how big it is. I don't know if it's a life size or not. I believe in the anime it should be bigger. It's bigger than that. Okay, let's see what they have here. Some Dragon Ball figures. Okay guys, I'm not gonna show you all around, but I'm gonna try my best because they're gonna close in 30 minutes. So can I have this?
Oh, no,
No?
we're like
Okay.
closed right
Oh,
now,
close?
yeah.
All right. Okay. There's another life-size statue.
The laundry is coming. What's wrong with you?
And we have more over here. Wow. That's crazy. Look at this. Woo! How cool is that? If you like Dragon Ball or something like this in a Comic-Con, you should come. As you can see, some spaces are empty because, you know, some company don't want to open their booth because they're still scared of COVID-19.